Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best quality sublimation ink in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Hiipoo Sublimation Ink. Tired of dull prints on your mugs of t-shirts? These water-based sublimation ink boasts of the most intense and vibrant colors that stand out in all situations. The colors from these sublimation ink bottles are resilient and long-lasting and do not fade even under strong light. These sublimation inks are of the superior gradient and texture that assures a smooth coat for each print. Strong color reduction coupled with anti-clog printer heads prints vibrant and intense vivid images. After rigorous quality checks and scrutiny, these inks have acquired the MSDS and ISO 9001 certification for delivering durable, stable, best quality and highly potent colors in the market. They are compatible with the Stylus series, EcoTank or ET series and the Workforce or WF series of printers. On top of that, these inks bring out your creative side by having a wide range of applications. They can be applied to banners, flags, cloths, quilts, bags, caps, ceramics, shoes, pillowcases, t-shirts, mugs and everything which is less than 30% cotton. The product box contains 4 different colors of sublimation ink bottles, 2 gloves, for needles and 1 tape to make the process user-friendly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Printer's Jack Sublimation Ink Refill. Ordinary inks are easily irradiated if out in the sun or under strong light. However, these sublimation ink refills boast professional UV protection. They stand the test of time and are one of the most durable inks. This Print Jack has been in the business for a long time and they have brought their A-game with these ink refills. The triple-layer filter technology thrives for bright and vivid colors and smooth texture without any clogging of the printer heads. Another huge bonus of these ink refills is that you don't need to go through the hassle of an ICC profile. This means an incorrect color scheme is nowhere to be found in the case of these inks. The upgraded nozzles make it simple to fill each color in the inkjet printers without any assistance from syringes. Further, the auto-stop feature of the nozzle prevents mess and spillage. They are compatible with all Epson ET series printers. The wide range of applications means that the ink can be applied to everything from banners and flags to mugs and caps which are less than 30% cotton. Number 3. Our third best pick is EZ Ink Autofill Sublimation Ink. If you are a beginner in using sublimation ink, then these ink products are the right choice for you. The autofill design of these sublimation ink bottles allows you to get easily introduced to the world of customization. This ink has been a trusted brand since its inception for sublimation inks. The triple-layer filter ink guarantees high-quality heat press transfer for each print. Further, the vibrant colors and non-fading quality ensure the durability of the prints. A high heat transfer rate means less time for the print, while the anti-clog feature of the print heads allows smooth and uninterrupted printing. The specifically designed nozzles of the ink bottles make the refilling simple and easy for you. These ink bottles are compatible with all EcoTank or ET series printers and also WF series printers. A wide range of applications enables you to use the inks for personalized room decor to DIY gift items. They are also capable of souvenir designs. These inks can be applied on mugs, boxes, bags, quilts, shoes, cloth, ceramics, decorative items and so on. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Merrywork Sublimation Ink. Are you confused regarding the time to refill and need a reminder to do so? These inks come with an automatic ink filling status recognition which ensures easy refill of the ink. The revolutionary L&AMP-C interface provides bright and vivid colors with a smooth and clear flow of the ink. It is also eco-friendly and requires no plugging. These anti-UV sublimation inks feature the auto-stop design which makes them easy to use and refill by not staining your hands and preventing mess by avoiding spillage. The ISO 9001 certification ensures high efficiency, better durability and stability. They are compatible with a wide range of printers like the EcoTank series and the Workforce series. This helps design your stuff and gifts with a personal touch. This ink transfer is suitable for cross-stitch shoes, mugs, cloth, pillowcases, canvas bags, phone cases, mouse pads, t-shirts, etc. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Tonha Sublimation Ink Refill. It has brought premium sublimation inks of 4 colors to bring out your creativity to life. The environment-friendly nature of the inks makes them rated so highly on our list. These sublimation inks are easy to install, refill and use. Besides, the stability and durability are increased with the help of water resistance, quick transfer and no fading properties. The ICC-free printing technology makes these inks the correct choice for heat transfer, as they can be used without any hassle of ICC intervention. These things have wide compatibility with EcoTank printers, stylus printers, WF series, and all other sublimation printers. Further, these things also possess high application and can be applied on cloth, pillowcases, shoes, caps, boxes, bags, banners, flags, etc. with a thermal sublimation coating. They are also highly regarded as one of the best DIY gifts. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.